All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, basic data structures, add items using Splice. So remember in the last challenge when these guys mentioned that Splice can take up to 3 parameters? Yeah, we'll humor you guys. We can use the third parameter comprised of one or more elements to add to the array. This can be incredibly useful for quickly switching out an element or a set of elements for another. All right. So let's have this array numbers be this right here. And then we'll have start index be 3 and then amount to delete 1. All right. So we're going to have something unnecessarily confusing, but whatever, right? So let's have numbers.splice start index, which is 3, amount to delete 1. And then we'll have 13 and 14 in there as well. And then when we do console.log numbers, it's going to say something different. So what we're going to do here is start index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So we'll get rid of this 12 right here. And we're going by deleting just one of them. And then we're going to add 13 and 14 inside of it so that now it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15, right? So to reiterate, the second occurrence of 12 is removed and we add 13 and 14 at the same index. The numbers array will now be what I just said, all right? So here we begin with an array of numbers. Then we pass the following to Splice, the index at which to begin deleting numbers, 3. Okay, we're still looking at this, I guess. So yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. We just went over this. And the number of elements to be deleted, 1. And the remaining arguments, 13, 14, will be inserted starting at the same index. Note that there can be any number of elements, separated by commas, of course, following amount to delete, each of which gets inserted. All right. So we have defined a function, HTML color names, which takes an array of HTML colors as an argument. And we're going to modify the function using Splice to remove the first 2 elements of the array and add dark salmon and blanched almond in their respective places, right? Also, if you want to check this out more, just come over to Google and just type Splice JavaScript thusly. And over here at the MDM site, you can just read up all about Splice right here. It'll give you a very detailed overview of what to do, right? And you can do all kinds of other stuff too. All right, so let's get back to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the first 2 elements. So we're going to take out dark golden rod and white smoke, and we're going to add dark salmon and blanched almond in its place, all right? So what we're going to do here is say r dot, what are we even doing? Splice, all right? And we'll start at 0, take out 2, and we will add dark salmon, and we'll also add the string blanched almond like that. And you can see right here, dark salmon, blanched almond. We've got lavender bush, pale turquoise, and fire brick as well, right? So let's run the test. Looks good and submit it. All right. Now we're on to copy array items using Splice, and we'll see you next time.